Hello everyone, and this is Mohammed Saeed with Brainy, and today I have brought for you another video of data science. And this video we will talk about the roadmap of becoming a data analyst, because in this video I'd like to share with you the fundamental skill set of a data analyst, and as well as we will talk about the subject skills and the subject of the data science. So what are you waiting for? And let's begin to explore the stunning and impressive world of data science with Brainy. For becoming a data analyst, first you have to familiar yourself with the subject of the data science. I mean, you have to learn statistics and mathematics, and you have to explore the basics of the data analysis, data cleaning, data processing, and data optimizing. And after that, you have to move on and you have to learn the Excel and SQL, because it's mandatory. And without Excel and SQL, you can't become a data analyst. And after that, you have to move on towards the Python. I mean, you have to learn the basics of the Python, and you have to explore the libraries of the Python like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn. And after that, you have to familiar yourself with Power BI and Tableau, because that's the king of dashboard, and you have to design the creative and impressive and user appealing dashboard with the help of the Power BI and Tableau. And after that, you have to work on the project. I mean, you have to design the real world solution for different problems, and you have to build your portfolio. And after that, you have to stay tuned and stay updated with the industry trends and fashions. Okay, so let's talk about the career prospect of a data science. Once you adopt all the skills that I have told you about the data science, and after that you have to choose a domain in which you can build your identity and which you can make yourself stand out. So, and career prospect of the data science is very vast and very awesome and fantastic. And you can explore various fields and various industry and a chunk and a very interesting and amazing way. And you can explore multiple fields, and you can move on towards finance, business, and healthcare. And after that, you can move on towards the senior level role and business intelligence and the field of the data science. So it was about the roadmap of becoming a data analyst, and I hope you will like it, and I hope you will enjoy it. And this is Mohammed Saeed signing off from Brainy. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.